Hello, welcome to my garage. Today something completely different. I'm still working on the batteries for my Volvo, but I want a flat surface on which I can weld together the battery box, and I don't have a flat surface. You've seen me working on a welding table before, but that one I made myself, but it was not flat. So I've decided to invest in a new welding table. You can see the legs already behind me. I bought it at lastafelsshop.nl and it's a custom size because I want to put it under my workbench if I don't use it. The legs can be removed. It's a new system they have. Looks very nice, very sturdy. I've painted the legs black, and of course I have wheels under it, so I can move it around. They're quite heavy duty wheels. I don't see the capacity on it, but I'm sure it's more than enough. The paint is pretty dry, so let's put the legs back together. Now the wheel goes back on. No, I'll put the other legs together and then we'll go to the car to get the table out. Here you clamp on the legs. Fits perfect. It's noticeable heavier than my previous table, but the wheels are much better. And I also bought some accessories with it. Maximum height is 86 centimeters. It's now 85, 1 centimeter. Let's start with this. I don't have the proper tool for this one, so I'll just use this one. Let's see, let's put it level in this direction. That's about level. The table is level, the legs are all tightened, so now it's time to see how flat the table really is. I don't see any light coming through. Point 0.05, 0.2, point 15, point 15 of a millimeter over there. There's a little bit more than 0.15. The flatness is within 0.2 of a millimeter, assuming this one is flat. I'm wondering how square this angle is. That's not square. 0.2. No. At the top it's about 0.2 and at the bottom it's about 0.9. So there's about 0.7 millimeter difference. I would say that's about the same. This one looks better. But there's also a difference. So the sides are not completely square. This one isn't square either. At the top it's about square. If I'm correct, on the side they say its tolerance is within 0.8 of a millimeter, so the flatness, which is the most important for me, that's within 0.2 of a millimeter. That's perfect. For what I'm planning to do with it, it's perfect. It's not equipment why it's failing. So I've got myself the basic starter kit with a small extra. A notebook. Shake before use. From welding, splatters. Some goodies. So you can put stuff against it. Two sideway clamps. These are not easy with one hand. And then if you tighten this, it's nice and tight. Let's see, these are the clamps. A square. With this you can extend the table, but if you do so, it's not completely square because we saw the surface isn't square to that surface. But if you really need it to be a flat surface, you always can shim it out. This one you can put on any angle if you need it to align stuff. Well, I think I have a nice complete kit, and I'm going to use it for a while, and then we'll see if I need some extra accessories. This one, so you can also hook it onto the side, so you have storage nearby, but in my case that's not convenient, because then I can't store my table anymore. The guys at Lastafelsshop.nl were wondering why I wanted my table so low, because usually you want your table a bit higher, that's a bit more ergonomic. But in my experience I use this height primarily because I want to be able to store the table. It's a heavy table, it's about 150 kilos. I have to lower the table about 2 millimeters. Too bad. We'll screw the legs in a few millimeters, and then we can put it in its place. Here you can see where it's going. Here I'm making two pieces of aluminium into one. I've melted my clamps. My nice new clamps. I've clamped this down, so I hope it's staying a little bit flat while welding. It's very convenient to be able to clamp things upright, so you have a comfortable angle for welding. One of the nice things of this table is you can make parts, you can make your tools yourself. I've made this stand for the torch. It's just a piece of aluminium I've made on the lathe and a piece of aluminium cut out of shape, and you can put it everywhere on the table. Very convenient. In the beginning you saw me using this hook with two 16mm bolts. You just bolt it down in the center of the table, and I can lift it with the engine crane. Very convenient if you ever have to remove the legs or something like that. Homemade, works perfect. Now you saw how I can do a lot of things with it. I'm very happy with the table. The size is perfect. It's a lot bigger than the table I had, but it's not that big that it's in the way. It's now being used for the battery of the Volvo, but that's the project I'm now working on. And I'm pretty sure you will see this table in a lot more videos. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.